3D. Now offset one of these, well, not offset, but by clicking on the blue arrow and either pushing or pulling, as it were, the layer, you can change where they are in 3D space, and you can also use the other arrows to do this. Now the blue one has gone into the composition, and we just want to hide the edges of that by making it taller again, and then selecting our camera layer, you can change the orbit position, and you can see we have a nice 3D sort of effect. And if you just sort of scroll through quickly, you can see they're quite nice. Another thing we can do is change the evolution options for the red layer to give that a bit more uniqueness. So I'm going to change the number of evolutions to 1, and in the evolution options I'm going to change the cycle evolution to 1 as well. Just allows it to loop. If you want to create another nice effect, keyframe the camera's position at 0 frames, and at 2 just change it slightly, and then go to 5. Yep, go to 5 seconds and change the positions to what they were in the first one. Now let's just make this effect a bit better by adding some text. By selecting the text and changing the text size. And also let's center that up a little bit. That's quite nice, but it's not 3D, so there you go. That makes that 3D by making it a 3D layer. And click Effect, Generate, Ramp, and despite the weird name, what this does is creates a gradient on the text. And just sort of set that to how you want, and that's quite a nice effect, apart from the fact that the text goes off the screen, but we can change that. And if you want, you can also add particle systems, but we're not going to do that. So that'll do for now. Just ram preview that. Shouldn't take too long. And you can see that's quite a nice effect. And if you had Dream Scene, if you're using Vista Ultimate, then you could use that as a background, or you could use it as an introduction, as I did. But we made it loopable so that you could use it as a background, so you can do some pretty good things with it. That's a really simple effect to achieve if you memorize it. It looks really good, and yeah, that's a tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, then please add a comment to the post on Henco Julfo. I'm Julfo. See you later.